Hello, my kitchen technicians. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chef Belle. Today we are going to learn how to store lemon or lime in 3 different ways. The techniques of storing lemons. Please like and share, subscribe and hit the notification. Thanks a lot. To begin, we'll need some fresh lemons or lime. Just so you know, lemons are larger than limes. Make sure to check for freshness when you buy them. They should be firm with no or very little discoloration when you pick them. Please check for all that. Now these right here are some fresh lemons. Most of the times when these are in season, they come quite cheap. So do well to get them when they are in season. You'll enjoy your lemons for a while if you do. And with these techniques, you are safe. They'll stay fresh for a while. Now the first method is very simple. Get some washed lemons or lime and dry them with your paper towel. Make sure to leave no moisture on them. When you are sure they are dried well, get a Ziploc bag and throw them right in. After that, try and get all the air or most of the air out as you can before zipping up. That's about it. Simple, right? Put that in your fridge for up to a month. Let's move to the next lemon and lime technique. With this technique, we'll need a nice container with a lid, one that looks like mine. So here we'll throw some washed lemons in there. Next, we'll pour some water inside till all the lemons or limes are submerged in water. When this happens, go right ahead and cover your bottle or container up tight. This will also go into the refrigerator for up to a month or more. Interesting, right? I assure you guys, your lemons will stay fresh for longer. No more spoiled lemons or lime. The third and last method also goes like this. With this last technique, we are going to cut and squeeze our lemons or lime. If you are going to manually squeeze them like me, then it's best to press them down like this and knead just like I'm doing. They'll soften enough for the task, making the task easier. After kneading them, we'll now proceed to squeeze them into a bowl. Cut them and squeeze every one of them till you have all their juices in the container. After this, make sure to strain it in order to remove the seeds. Guys, do you know any other way of storing lemons? Please share that with us in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Now this last technique is great because all the work has been done and ready to use anytime. Just fetch your desired amount and good to go. You may pour them in smaller containers to store, already measured in the amount you might need, or you can just keep them in a bigger container and store in the freezer. Whenever you need some, you can just get it, thaw it and use. Nice and simple. This will stay in the freezer for as long as possible, trust me. So you can do the Ziploc bag technique with your lemon or lime. You can do the bottle and water technique, or you can do the juicing technique. They are all very simple and easy. Do try it and you won't regret. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do like and share, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.